saw you walking in the summer breeze. Your smile was like a melody that put my mind at ease. I knew right then and there you were the one for me. Let's make this love story something beautiful to see. You're the rhythm to my heart, the harmony of my soul. With every moment we share, our love continues to unfold. I wanna hold you close and never let go. Together we'll create a love that will grow. So baby, take my hand and dance with me tonight. Underneath the stars, everything feels so right. In this serenade of love that we've made, our hearts beat as one in this romantic spawn, in this romantic escapade. Laughter is like music to my ears. With every whisper of your voice, it erases all fears. Let's write our own love song with every tender touch. In your arms forever, I'll never have too much. Every word from your lips is a promise so sweet. You're the symphony that makes me complete. Our love will be an unending melody. This romance between us feels like destiny. Every word from your lips is a promise so sweet. You're the symphony that makes me complete. Our love will be an unending melody. This romance between us feels like destiny. Our journey together will be filled with tenderness. This harmonious tale